In this video, I am going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. To deactivate your Facebook account, open the Facebook account in your phone, PC or laptop. There might be a lot of reason why you are deactivating your Facebook account. To deactivate your Facebook account, follow the steps. Tap on your profile icon on the top right corner, scroll down and you will find Settings and Privacy. Here tap on Settings. Here under Settings, you will not be able to find any direct option to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. To deactivate your Facebook account, you have to go to the Account Center, which is in the first section of the Settings menu. Tap on Account Center. In Account Center, you will find your information and permission. Tap on it. Then you will find Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. You will find three options here: memorialization, deactivation or deletion, reactivation. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Then you will find your profile which you want to delete or deactivate. Then you will find deactivate account or delete account. From here tap on delete account and then tap on continue. Here Facebook will ask you a survey why you are going from Facebook. Tap on a reason and then continue. Tap continue again. Now Facebook will ask you if you want to keep your Facebook Messenger ID or delete it also. If you want, you can deactivate your Facebook account and keep the Messenger ID as before, or else you can delete it also. I want to delete my Messenger ID also. Now type your Facebook password to delete the accounts. Type your password and then tap continue. Now for the one last time, Facebook will ask you why you are leaving Facebook. Select a reason and tap continue. Tap continue again and tap on deactivate my account. It will confirm your account deactivation or deletion. You have done all the things successfully. Now Facebook will deactivate your account and keep it deactivated in 30 days more. If you want to reactivate your account, you can reactivate it in this 30 days. I have a video in my channel how you can reactivate your Facebook account. If you want to reactivate your account, you can check this out. Now it's time to uninstall the Facebook app from my device. Friends, by this way you can deactivate or delete your Facebook account. If this video was helpful for you, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.